nice gentleman right there.
Maybe some of your neighbors.
Can I control the train?
Oh, Nathan, this is so cool.
Look, the GO train.
Yes.
Can I control the train?
Okay.
Can I?
Doug, a bit more gas on the inside. It's too much.
Whoa.
You can't do that for all of them, mate.
Can I control the train?
This isn't mine.
It's not his name.
No.
Grandma. Grandpa.
Any of your neighbors
Yeah,
in
the
there?
lights.
I think so. I think it's his mom and I actually going to work.
Is that right? Oh, okay. Even on Saturday?
No, we get weekends.
That's an orange one. There goes the creature. Ah! I think these ones get power from the middle rail, Dad.
Yeah, don't touch over there.
Okay.
This is so nice.
Where's the GO train, Dad? That looks
That's great,
Here it comes, Nate.
Yes! Yes! Because the GO train, Dad. Woo! Woo! Yeah! F59 VH on the front. I know that. There's a GO train way over there. That.
Yeah.